Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys poco phone sound and vibration setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you off guys your lock screen sound in your poco phone. So first of all guys let me tell you guys what is lock screen sound. So guys when you off your phone and guys when you on your phone guys, so as you can see this little sound when you off and when you on this sound. So guys we call it guys screen lock sound, and guys in this video guys I will show you guys how can you off your lock screen sound. So first of all guys we will have to click on our phone setting to off the sound. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your sound and vibration setting, tap here, and guys again scroll it and guys you can see guys your additional setting, tap here, and guys you can see guys your play sound when looking device. So guys you can off from here. So guys, when you off your phone and guys when you on your phone, so guys your sound will not work, means guys the sound is off silent. So I hope friends you have understood how to off lock screen sound in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.